everyone, I hope you guys are doing well, and I'm just so happy because it's officially fall season. Like, it's that time to bring in those coziness. So let's just get into my cozy fall routine.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out, I'ma just lay back.
Okay, you guys, so with every season changes comes all these allergies and illnesses. So currently I feel so stuffed up, guys. Like, my nose, my chest is a mess. Of course, when it comes to my fall routine, guys, I always make sure I stay hydrated, because one thing I always experience during this time of the year is dryness, because of the fact that the atmosphere is getting drier. Fall equals like the holiday season, winter, and all those things. So the weather is like gradually getting drier and colder. So of course I have to stay moisturized, especially for me that have a very severe acne prone skin. So I always love to go in, wash my face with my acne.org cleanser, and then go ahead and moisturize. And over here I'm using my turmeric serum, and of course I'm gonna go in and also moisturize my lips. Of course, you guys, nothing speaks fall than, decorating your home. So I would say I'm actually running late this year when it comes to my fall decor. So I'm going to go ahead and switch off the decor, guys. Of course, I have more like a summer decoration in my living room. So I went ahead and moved the pillows, and over here, I'm just moving out all the decorations, on my coffee table. So that way we can bring in some very nice fall decor. So of course, once I moved that out, the very first thing I have to go ahead and do would be to clean my coffee table, my console table. Just make sure I get rid of any dust. Of course, as you all can see, I'm trying to draw a hat, but my hat spray design is a mess. So of course I just go ahead and wipe down my coffee table. And yeah, fall is actually I would say fall is my favorite season, because it's like during summer it's just way too hot, and then fall is always like in between summer and winter. So fall is just that perfect, like fall just gives that perfect weather, guys. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love me some fall. And apart from that, the fact that the tree starts to change color, everywhere just gets so colorful. Not colorful in the bright way, but colorful in those neutral tones. I absolutely love it. Anyways, you guys, so over here I went ahead and brought in my vase, or whatever this is called. And of course, for my console table in my living room, I wanted to keep it very, 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 very simple. So I decided to add some of these this is called scones, or is it scones, or what is this called again? Oh, I absolutely hate forgetting names of things whenever I'm doing my voiceover, guys. But wait, let me check what this is called. It's actually called a pine cone, guys. So of course I went ahead and added that, and that is basically it for my console table. Like I said, I didn't want to do too much. For my TV unit, I'm just going to switch some decor, guys. As you all can see, I'm removing that decoration right there. This is more kind of a white vase, but I decided to switch it for this gorgeous boxes that they also work with the color I'm working for for this year's fall. So as you all can see, it just added that fall touch to that to that area. And over here I decided to add some pumpkin decoration, and also on this side I removed this gold hat, and then I added a very nice pumpkin, still in the same color family I'm working with for this year's fall season. And then for my my side table, I decided to just do something very, very simple. I added some flowers, some candles, and also kind of a garland, guys. And this right here, you know, I don't know, for some reason this year I wasn't going for too much when it comes to my decor. Of course, when it comes to all these seasons, I absolutely just love being able to switch up things, and that actually helps kind of get my kids in whatever season we are in. If it's fall, you know, I love to decorate for fall. If it's summer, I love to decorate for summer, winter, you know, spring. So for my couch, like I said, I'm just keeping it very, very neutral. So I'm adding these decorative pillows. I'm using something without texture. I just want to keep it very, very simple. So I also added some pumpkins, and then for my coffee table, I'm just adding a flower vase with some flowers, and then a tray of pumpkin decoration.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and cry.
And of course, you always have to tie it down or tie it up with some throw blankets. And then over here, this is a console table that is right in my hallway before my living room. Of course, I had to make everything match, so I had to also put a very simple decor, and that is basically it for my fall living room decoration. As you all can see, I just have touches of this I don't know if I should say this is chocolate brown, you know. I just had touches of it in my living room, and that is basically it. And once I'm done with my decoration, I'm gonna quickly head into my bathroom to have a quick shower, guys. Actually, today I just decided to start in the morning, and then you guys are literally spending the day with me. So once I was done with taking my shower, I got ready because I had to head to the supermarket. I had to go get few things for for the house, and also a few things for this whatever code is going on, because my kids are down with a cold. I'm also down with a cold. It's terrible, guys.
Mom and dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in
Before I head out, I have to refresh myself, make sure I look good and smell good. And this video is done in partnership with Sandbird. I'm using one of the perfumes I received from them. And basically, Sandbird is a monthly fragrance subscription service where you choose any perfume to try out every single month. My God, you guys, if you're a perfume junkie like me, you know we love collecting perfumes. So let's say there is a perfume you see you want to try, but you don't want to get the full size bottle, guys. This is a perfect service to go for, because you get different, designer perfume of any type and sort. If you're confused, you can take their fragrance recommended quiz to choose from over 600 designer brands. So for this month, I received 4 different perfumes. I have the Bottega Nut perfume. Absolutely love the smell of this perfume, guys. Then I have the Tom Ford Black Orchid. I've been trying to I've been wanting to try out that perfume for so long. And then over here I have Michel Germain Orange Blossom Garden and French Vanilla. And then the last one is the one I just applied, and this is the Purple Mantra. Absolutely love these perfumes, guys. If you're looking for that matured, sophisticated smell, Michel Germain is my favorite. Actually, you get to choose 2 perfumes, and then they sent me 2 secret perfumes. So those are the 4 here, and I absolutely love the smell of each and every one of this perfume. Also, I love the fact that this comes in small cases, so that way you can fit it inside your handbag, inside your purse. It's able to last you for 30 days. You can skip any month without penalties whatsoever. Definitely check my description box for all the info regarding Sandbird and use my code Omabelletv for 55% off.
stressed out. Give it a good.
Listen, guys, I haven't had my coffee all morning, so I've literally been feeling miserable. So I'm gonna fix myself a cup of hot coffee, guys. And of course, oh my gosh, my morning doesn't start without my coffee, but because I just woke up and headed to decorate and do whatever it is I needed to do, for the house. Apart from the filming, I also ended up cleaning up the house and everything, so I didn't have the time to take my coffee. But right here, I'm just sipping my coffee, just relaxing before I then head out. Oh my gosh, you guys, when it comes to the fall season, my coffee is just my best friend.
Better way.
I needed to head down to the supermarket to fetch us some herbs and some things for. I needed to make us a chicken noodle soup, guys. This right here, like, they are staples whenever the weather changes for us. I love to get some mint leaves, some ginger, some garlic. Just I'm able to always. One thing about the colder season is I'm always, like, in my home, I'm always making soup. So over here I just picked up few things, and for the soup I needed chicken breast, because normally we are only used to eating drumsticks. So when it comes to making soups, guys, I always love to go with chicken breast. So this is also one of the things I picked up from the supermarket, and I'm gonna quickly fix us a hot spicy chicken noodle soup, guys. This is for me, for my kids, for hubby, because it's crazy. We are all down with a cold. Like, once the kids start school, it's like they go to school and they carry back whatever it is, other classmates of theirs, are suffering from. They just bring it back home. And the worst is, if you have a baby in the house, especially a baby that is not fully talking, the baby is not able to tell you what is really going on with him or her. So that is the situation I'm in right now with AIDS. I've literally been on mommy mode all week long. Like, it's been 4 or 5 days now. But anyways, you guys, I just went ahead, cut up my chicken breast, seasoned it, left it on the stove to simmer. And over here I'm just going to peel some ginger. Ginger is highly medicinal. It's so good for clearing the throat. And also, apart from the soup, I also love to make us some tea. I love to make tea with some ginger, some lime or lemon, and also some honey. But anyways, you guys, for the soup, I blended some mint leaves and also ginger in a blender. I'm going to add it to my chicken breast pot. This is also very, very medicinal. Like I said, I love the smell, and also the fact that the mint leaf is highly medicinal, and also the ginger is very, very medicinal. So using it to make the soup actually helps a lot. And also for the soup, I love to add a lot of pepper, so that way it can clear the nostrils, it can clear your inside out, basically. So I just steamed up the meat, added some water that I'm going to use to cook the noodle. And over here, as you all can see, I just added the noodle. Of course, you guys know noodles don't take quite long to cook. So basically, once it's ready, you give it maybe 2 minutes and it's ready. And that is basically all there is, you guys. I just went ahead and took some, and then the twins had to go over and take their part. But yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
He loves it. Can they see Ace?
Yes.